To remove silence from any audio, select the particular audio from which you want to remove silence from.
3 call recording Aryan Kumar _ 250,000. Check. 3 share button double tap activate.
Click on the share option and find Audio Lab. If you do not have this app, make sure to install it from the Google Play Store.
Share. The 2 Audio Lab double tap to activate. Audio Lab output option.
Select Remove Silence from the output option.
Need silence remover double tap to activate.
As soon as you find the silence remover option, double tap on it. Or else you can directly go to the Audio Lab application, go to the silence remover option and then select the desired audio from which you want the silence to be removed.
Remove silence.
Now, while removing silences from audio, within Audio Lab we have 3 options.
Navigate, remove silence, call recording, play button double tap activate.
We have the play button from where we can check our audio.
Call recording, silence filter. 1 original audio checked radio button.
Original audio is the audio which you have originally recorded, which includes the silences that might have got recorded within the audio.
2 remove all silence unchecked radio button double tap to check.
You have the option to remove all silences, which would include silences from the start and the middle of the audio.
3 remove silence from beginning unchecked radio button double tap to check.
This option would ensure that all the silence from the beginning of the audio is removed.
4 remove silence from end unchecked radio button double tap to check.
And this option would ensure that the silence at the end of your audio is removed. I will select the option to remove all silences from the audio.
2 remove all silence unchecked radio decibel.
Do not change these options if you are not a professional audio editor.
OK button double tap off.
And directly tap OK.
Remove silence.
Wait for the preview to be generated, after which you can play the audio and check, and at the very end, save the audio if you desire.
Navigate up. Remove silence. Save button double tap activate.
Press this save button to save the audio if you want the audio to be saved in your internal storage.
S screen recorder. Record button double tap activate.
Also, make sure to check out my playlist on Audio Lab to learn more about the features of the app.